Hence here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use. I've reviewed the official version of this application here, and it's pretty much just the light version. So here down here, be able to select your servers. Here you can see you have the free server option, and if you do tap on this option here, then be able to see all the free servers that you'll be able to use. And you do have the smart server selection option where it does select the best free servers for you. But here I do recommend using the ones with the green bar, which is full. Don't recommend using these ones with the bar is low or red. Pretty much will be slow. So you have all the servers here which are very, very fast, not gonna lie. You have United States servers, you have Canada servers which you can use. As you can see here, quite a few decent servers which you can use for this free servers section. So for the premium servers option here, you can swipe across and pretty much see all the premium servers that you'll be able to use. You have Asia, Japan, all of those servers. As you can see here, they as well support streaming websites like Netflix. As you can see all the underneath the name of the servers, they do support some of these streaming websites, Amazon, Netflix and so forth, YouTube and so forth. So these servers are very fast and they do support streaming as well. So the Premium Plus servers do support streaming, but it's just a more servers for you to choose from, I would say. Pretty much the same thing as the Premium and nothing much different. So you don't have the subscription, you pretty much have to use the free server option. I do recommend selecting the smart option where it does select the best or the fastest server for you. But if you don't want to do that, you can pretty much select whichever server you want specifically. But I'm going to go with the smart server selection. Once you've selected your server, it will ask for connection request. 2 minutes, tap on OK and it will start connecting. No time. As you can see here, it's already connected and you will just be encountering one ads. All you have to do is just pretty much tap on the forward icon here and the X to remove the ads. So as you can see here, it's already connected. Everything works great, it's fast and everything. So to get free premium for this application, you can as well watch ads. As you can see here, to get a free premium subscription. Not subscription, but premium. So you'll be able to use the premium section, not the premium plus. So the premium plus servers are for subscription or the VIP subscription only. And if you do watch the ads for this one here, is for the premium section, not the premium plus. So yes. So that's really pretty much it for that. And as well, you can add the servers that they have connected to as your favorite if you want to save them for later use. So over here, you have some settings which you can use as well. You have the 30-day free trial which you can sign up for. And in the settings option, you may need to enable a few features. If you do not know anything about the proxy or anything like that, I don't recommend editing anything here in this section here. But everything you can see as it is, pretty much works as it should. At the top here, this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. Here, as you can see, they do offer a 3 days free trial, which can test all the Premium Plus servers. Or you can just watch an ad to get the Premium section servers. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And you can see how much they are offering for the weekly subscription and the yearly subscription. And pretty much what you'll be getting as it relates to that. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let me see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.